Welcome to the Valantic S&OP process series. Sales and operation planning is a strategic business process that aligns sales forecasts, production capabilities, and inventory levels to meet customer demand. Anaplan can support your planning activities along the entire process, but let me present what we can build together for your demand planning team. Demand planning is the process in the S&OP cycle which aims to deliver the unconstrained consensus demand plan. The process involves 5 main steps: data preparation, statistical forecasting, forecast review and unconstrained demand plan release, scenario planning and consensus, and finally disaggregation. Let's start with step 1. Data preparation is a crucial step to obtain reliable forecasts. With Anaplan, you can easily correct outliers, introduce and launch new products, plan for the end of life, and much more. Let me show you how a new product introduction may look like. In our example, we want to include in the portfolio a new green t-shirt. After defining a name, we will have to select from the current collection a similar style. Define a launch date, an average selling price, cost of goods. In this case, I want this style to be a replacement of an old style, so I will mark it as a successor. Anaplan gives the possibility to also play around with other fields. In our case, we have cannibalization, final annual volume, elasticity, but we can build much more. The second step is statistical forecast. With Plan-AQ engine, Anaplan is able to calculate forecast using the most sophisticated statistical models. An optimal forecast method is selected, but of course can be overridden by the planner. Let's go back to the process overview and directly into step 3. In the third step, the demand planner collects inputs from other departments, such as marketing, sales, and also from customers. Then it has to review the statistical forecast. With Anaplan, we can customize your process. In our case, we will focus on checking forecast errors. Some forecast errors pop up in an alert. To review them, I will have to insert a code and a comment. With a statistical forecast and all inputs from sales, marketing, and customers, we are now able to create scenarios by giving specific weights to the inputs. To prepare for the consensus proposal, we can select 3 scenarios for comparison. In this page, we can review in detail the 3 scenarios selected, and finally, define which one will be the unconstrained consensus demand plan. The responsibility of demand planner is also to disaggregate the high-level forecast to facilitate the handover to supply planning. Anaplan can support this process too. In this example, I want to disaggregate the men t-shirts into colors, and I can simply work with a percentage. Let's go back to the process overview. We are at the end of the demand management episode. I hope you enjoyed. And if you are curious or have questions, don't hesitate to contact.